Take a look at this channel. One of their videos got over 27 million views, and they're posting only village renovation videos. And today I'll show you how you can create these viral AI renovation videos completely free using AI tools. So let's start. First, open the document link in the description. Inside, you'll find a master prompt. Copy the full prompt, yes, it's a little long, and paste it into ChatGPT. ChatGPT will instantly give you 10 renovation video ideas. For this example, we'll choose the Riverside renovation idea, so I'll simply type 1. Now ChatGPT gives us image prompts and image to video prompts for our entire video. Next, open Flow AI. Choose Create Image. Select Model Nano Banana Pro. Choose aspect ratio and number of outputs. Now copy the first image prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here. Hit Generate. And look, our first renovation image is ready. Choose the one you like most. Add this to prompt and save it. Now copy the second image prompt, paste it, and generate again. Using the same steps, create all the images for your video. Now it's time to turn these images into videos. Choose Frames to Video in Flow AI. Select Image 1 as Frame 1, Image 2 as Frame 2. Copy the first video prompt from ChatGPT, paste it, and generate. And just like that, your first renovation clip is ready. Now repeat. Image 2 as Frame 1, Image 3 as Frame 2. Paste the second video prompt and generate again. Follow the same process to create all 4 video clips. Now open your editing software. Import all the clips. Arrange them in sequence to show the full renovation transformation. Zoom in slightly to remove logos. Mute the clips and add background music you like. And here's the final result. That's how you can create viral village renovation videos using AI. If this video helped you, like the video and subscribe to Revron for more AI tutorials. And comment below what type of AI video you want next.